Wagwan! If you're new here, hi! I'm Stasia Alicia and I'm on a wellness and healing journey. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a plant-based vegan food spot in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. If you're living in Jamaica and you're ever in Portmore, then you can stop by Portmore Pines to this location. And if you are visiting Jamaica and you are into plant-based vegan food, then this stop is for you. So my friend Kadeen owns a restaurant, a food shop called Fruit Blossoms. Fruit Blossoms is known for their fruit arrangements and their fruit popsicles that you can order for your wedding, anniversary, birthday, or for corporate events, parties, etc. Right? But in store, they also now have plant-based food. So they have a plant-based menu. And today I will be visiting Fruit Blossoms location and we're gonna have Kadeen tell us what is on the menu.
So what I have on the menu today is we have our curried chickpea.
So I didn't realize that there was music playing in the background. So we don't want any copyright issues with YouTube. So let me just say what Kadeen said. So there's the curried chickpeas served with quinoa and a side salad with mixed vegetables, cabbage, pumpkin, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and stuff like that. There was also lentil soup. There was also a plantain taco with black beans and cashew sauce with some other stuff in there. And there was also vegan chocolate cupcake and lemongrass juice.
Okay. We also have our chick food, which is our tofu made from chickpea, and we're going to use that to make a sandwich.
Alright, so the soup are coming, lentil soup. Alright, meal number 2 is coming. Oi, so the chickpeas and the quinoa with the veggies. Oi. Alright, where so this is now? Oi. So plantain taco, she say, with cashew cheese. I don't remember what else in there. And I'm sipping on my lemongrass juice. My belly was full after having that, so I didn't get to eat anything else. But they also have vegan burgers, plantain wraps, and other food. So what I suggest is that you call Fruit Blossoms before going if you want to know what is on the menu for that particular day. If you're wondering how was the food was good. And it was also filling. And remember, they also have popsicles in store, smoothies, juices, fruit salads, and other things. So if you're looking for a healthier option for lunch or dinner or breakfast, then you can check out Fruit Blossoms if you are in Portmore, Jamaica. Have you ever eaten at Fruit Blossoms? If you have, leave a comment and let me know. If you have never eaten at Fruit Blossoms but you are willing to give it a try, then also let me know in the comment section. Of course, I leave the information for Fruit Blossoms in the description section so that you can call before going, so that you know exactly what is on the menu. So there you have it. It was a short video, but I think that you may want to know where you can eat, especially if you are trying to live healthier or you're eating plant-based or vegan in Jamaica. So if you found this information useful and you want me to share more plant-based, vegan, healthy spots that you can eat in Jamaica and over the world, let me know in the comment section and I'll do just that for you. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and until next time, blessed love.